Good morning, children, to everyone. In moral science, today let us take page number 30. Today, let us read a story. Let's read the story. So, before that, my dear children, uh, we have been continuously studying about self independence, and I have explained to you this particular title and other things. So let us read this particular story and try to understand that how this particular boy was self independent and he ate whatever he found in the kitchen. The first line. Once there was a little boy who was scared of being alone. He always wanted someone to be with him each and every time. Then one day, when he woke up in the morning from bed, he saw that he was all alone in the house with no one around him. He called to everyone, his mother, his father, brother, and maid, but no one replied. He wept and called them for a long time, and as time passed by, he started feeling very tired, thirsty, and hungry. He went down to the kitchen to see if he could eat something, but he had never eaten something directly from the kitchen, so he didn't know what to do. He opened a cabinet and found that there were many flavored candies and cookies, but an army of ants were planning to attack them. He could not let his favorite cookies and candies be destroyed by ants. So he had to let go for so he had to let go of the fear within and bring out his heroic side to save the disaster from happening. The story teaches us that we should be bold and do not depend on others for minor things. My dear children, it is a very interesting story and good story. So, this particular story again I will explain to you in my next class. Please read the story and try to understand. Now I end my class here. Thank you very much to everyone.